Hello friends, I'm back with another interesting video. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys a beautiful home tour. This home belongs to Priya Saxena Ji. She is put up in UK. She loves plants which are a great part of her decor, and she also loves Indian art pieces, and she has sourced them either locally and from Pakistan. It is contemporary yet traditional home. She loves Ganapati and elephants, and you can see her love for them reflects on the furniture designs as well. And this is a cute foyer area where she has used this colorful tapestry on the wall along with some plants and different types of furniture. Can you guys imagine? There are nearly 100 indoor plants in this house. It's a dream for me to have so many indoor plants, and but due to space constraint I couldn't do it. But I should really appreciate Priya ji for maintaining so many plants, because it's not at all an easy task to grow so many plants indoors. And she says the large south facing windows help with the growth, as the sunlight is not guaranteed always in UK, because it's really very cold during winters. Already the living room is getting enough sunlight, and she has used a large mirror which will reflect the sunlight, and it makes the space much brighter. The wall decor that you guys see on the wall is actually the room divider, which she has used as the wall decor, and it's giving a beautiful look to the entire living room. And this is Priya ji's living room, and you can see the living room is really very bright, and it gets a large amount of sunlight, and that's needed for these plants to grow. And you can see a large number of plants in our living room. She even made a divider with these plants. You can see there are a large number of plants here which are acting as a divider. And this is Priya ji's sunroom, and you can see the amount of sunlight the house is getting. It makes the house really very bright, and with so many plants around, we'll feel ourselves as if we are in a jungle. So you guys can see all the plants in her living room are really very healthy. We should really appreciate Priya ji for, because it's not really very easy to maintain so many plants healthily. So kudos to you, Priya ji, for maintaining so many plants. And this beautiful chola she has posted from Pakistan. It's a beautiful furniture piece. So Priya ji shares that she waters all her small plants in the sink area, whereas for the big plants you can see she has placed a plate underneath the pot. In this way, when you water those plants, the extra water remains in the plate, and in this way you can avoid the floor from getting dirty, as well as the water remains in the plate, and the water will be absorbed by the plant when needed. So this is Priya ji's kitchen and the dining area, and you can see even here there are large number of plants, and the whole house gets lot of sunlight because it's like a glass house surrounded by lawn, and even inside there are so many plants, makes herself think as if we are in a jungle. And you can see wherever she has used the decor pieces, there is a Ganesha in it. And also this house has a beautiful boho vibe with so many plants and colorful decors around, so it gives a beautiful boho look to the entire house. Because of security reasons, Priyaji didn't share her entire garden tour with us. I hope you guys would have enjoyed this home tour. If you guys really like this home tour, please do let us know what you really liked about this home, and also please do appreciate Priyaji efforts for maintaining so many healthy indoor plants. And if you guys are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on that ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all our future videos. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.